So over here you can see that I have a diagram right here, and let's say what I want to do is I want to make this diagram look more dynamic. So to do that, you can enable something called a flow animation, especially when you see a flow like this. Enabling flow animation makes it for a better presentation. So to do that, I'm going to go around and select out, let's say, a line right here. And once I select out the line, I can go around onto the property section right here. Once I go around over here, then I can enable something called flow animation. And once I do that, you can see that there is a movement right here onto the selected line right here. Let me just go around and change out, let's say, the point right here, just like this. And there is the flow animation right here on that particular line. But what I want to do is I want to apply the animation in all of the lines right here. So in that case, you can go around onto edit and select out all the edges right here, which selects out all of the line. And now what I can do is enable flow animation and change out, let's say, the line right here, just like this. Let me just go around over here and I can choose, like, let's say, for example, different styles over here as well, and change around the size right here. So this is going to be the line end, the start right here. Let me just go around, change out this, and you can see how it looks. So I'm just going to go around, you can go for the straight one, you can go for the other one right here for different styles, as you can see, just like this, according to how you want. So this is what you have right here, and you can go around over here and change it according to how you want right here, just like this, and change out the arrows and so forth right here as well. But you can see that this makes much more sense, and this gives a sense to the end viewer that this flow is being there in a certain location, and you can see that it is very, very dynamic right here, and you can go around and edit those out over here just like this as well. So that is how you can go around and then enable out flow animation inside of diagrams.net. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.